Ayan. Breakfast time na kami. You like that? Kuha ka nung You like that? Anong gusto mo?
Yeah.
Corn beef. Opo. Kayo, kuya?
Longganisa.
Ayan.
Fried rice.
Siniki plain rice yan. Siniki. Other plate. Kuya, kuha na mo siniki plain rice siya. Plain rice. You like champurrado? Huh? You like champurrado?
Yeah.
Beef.
I want champurrado. By Philippine
Champurrado. Okay. Yan. Ito yung breakfast namin. Ayan. So, chicken. Then, bacon.
Saan yung ginawa mo? Pa?
Ano yung kuya to?
Saan ginawa mo?
Egg.
Hello.
Omelette. And
Lamang mo, may pa ako bugwelo.
then, coffee. Ito breakfast ni Kuya Dave.
Lagana lang yung muna.
Coffee time. Fruits. Kutsinta. Puto. And suman. Tsaka tawag dyan, kasaba. Kutsinta, nilupak, biko ube, puto with salted egg, and maha blanca.
Ano? Nang ito?
Smoked turkey, chicken ham, and beef pastrami.
Isa-isa natin tikman lahat.
Pepper yun. Then, honey cured ham.
It has some more than
Fresh goat cheese. Sunny side up egg. Salmon.
Sige, thank you.
Breads area. Carrots and raisins. Fruits area. Marinated airwood. Mushroom and aged vinegar. Lentil salad.
Medyo masarap yun. Okay na ta.
Honey, mag-good morning kayo.
Good morning and good afternoon and good evening. Lahat na lang dyan.
Kasi kasama na daw yung tanghalian nga, tsaka hapunan. Honey, kasama na ba yung tanghalian mo dyan tsaka hapunan? Kuya Dave.
Doon, iba-ibang ham yan.
Makain sila ng cheese saka ham. Ate, say good morning, ate. Hi. How's your breakfast here? Very good.